guys, my name is Sally and today I'll be exploring some construction sites. So let's go. We're on top right now. This is the stairs to go down. Yeah, I know. It's pretty weird. There's so much stuff around here. It's a work in progress. More stairs higher. I don't even know what's going on in there. And my father is here.
नहीं वो तो काम से अभी नॉट फिर वो वेट है ना वो स्लिपरी
Okay, fine. नीचे जा रहा.
दूसरा करेंगे इंट्रो हियर से यहाँ से दूसरा
So weird.
construction is still going on. You can see the lot of water, half broken bricks.
There's like leaking floors everywhere. Workers. Let's go deep in there. So duct. Yeah. More rubble. And yeah, probably. Yeah. My grandfather's down there. Bathroom. Soon going to be. Wow. It's direct fall, so they're gonna cover that up. They're just gonna make some like net over there. Like the foundations right here. If you want to see what's down, then yeah.
Thank you. Hold करके चलना आराम से. Subhak is going down. Ready, go.
So, yeah. Also gonna be another bathroom, floor, storage room. And a lot of iron rods, so that's a problem. My grandfather's over there. And yeah, let's show you a bit of the outside. So yeah, the way to get in. This is the sand they used. It's a mess. But by the next year summer, it'll be over. Like basically next year.
Equipment.
The equipment's here. Like there's also a pipe here. I have no idea what this is, probably a drill. Rod. I hate those things.
This draws water from the ground.
Leads up there. The water comes from down here and goes up there where the water was leaking.
Just to make big holes. Yeah. It's a driller. Drills holes.
I'll show you the leakage. It's like wet over there. You see? So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like, subscribe with the notifications bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.